Minnie and I gotta get some sleep, but we wanted to show you this video. We finished the old feller. Yeah, he's scary looking. He's strong. He's courageous. Just some birch pieces, bark put together with a really cool skull. That's what makes him so cool. And I gotta wait for the 3 feet of snow to melt before I can find a piece to cover that bottom. But you see, he's attached to a coat rack. Yeah, he's scary looking and strong, but he's also got some backbone. Now, right here's where you grab him. Grab him something like this, and let me show you. It's really easy to move. Right. So you grab him back here, you just move him around. He's not that heavy. What's heavy is the skull. And I got that in a piece of wood. And I still got some work to do. If we're going to run with that video, of course, everything's not attached correctly quite yet. I got to glue it all down. There it is, folks. 1 arm and half a leg under repair. Chaga predator, aka Birch Bandito. Thanks for watching, guys. Create, don't hate. Peace.